Hello, in this video, we will look at programming errors. Program errors can be categorized into three types: syntax errors, runtime errors, and logical errors. The most common error you will encounter are syntax errors. Like any programming language, Python has its own syntax. You need to write the code that obeys the syntax rules. If your program violates the rules, for example, if a quotation mark is missing or a word is misspelled, Python will report syntax errors. For example, in this code, print, programming is fun. You miss the quotation mark at the end. Because this is a string, the string has to be pressed inside the quotation marks. That is a syntax error. If you don't know how to correct a syntax error, compare your program closely character by character with similar examples in the text. In the first few weeks of this course, you will probably spend a lot of time fixing syntax errors. Soon, you will be familiar with Python syntax and will be able to fix syntax errors quickly. Runtime errors are errors that cause program to terminate abnormally. They occur while a program is running if the Python interpreter detects an operation that is impossible to carry out. For example, this print 1 divided by 0 causes a runtime error because to integers, you cannot have integer divided by 0. So the error is division by 0. Logical errors occur when a program does not perform the way it was intended to. Errors of this kind occur for many different reasons. Let's look at this here now. Here we're going to convert the Fahrenheit to Celsius degree. So this Fahrenheit, the formula is this. This is actually wrong, and the correct formula should be this 35 minus 32. So you have this is the Fahrenheit and subtract 32, and here is times this 5 divided by 9. So let's run this program now, and here's the correct result. So that is a logical error. You did not write this expression formula correctly. In Python, syntax errors are actually treated like runtime errors because they are detected by the interpreter when the program is executed. In general, syntax and runtime errors are easy to find and easy to correct because Python gives indication as to where the errors came from and why they are wrong. Finding logical errors, on the other hand, can be very challenging. In the upcoming chapters, we will learn the techniques of tracing programs and finding logical errors. That is all for this section on programming errors. See you on the next video.